Hey, do you want to learn how to set alarm in Amazfit BIP 6? In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it on the watch itself. So I've got this watch here and I'm going to swipe down from the top. Now here, swipe left and you're going to find this middle icon that is the alarm. So I'm going to press on it. And then you can see here, you can have this wake up alarm. I've set it already. I can press on this plus icon to set another one. You can just set it here, press and drag up and down to set the time like this. Same for the PM and AM. Once done, press here on the bottom. And that's it. After that, you can either turn it on or off. You can set the time again, repeat if you want to do it once or every day or custom. You can set it like that. Now, if you want to go back from here, because I had this issue, I was not able to understand how to go back, because if I press on the buttons on the right hand side, it will just go back to the main screen or the apps. So all you have to do is just swipe to the right like this, and it's going to go back. Now, once you're done with all this, just press here on the tick mark. Now you can turn on or off the alarm from here. You can add more alarms by pressing on the plus button. And this is your wake up alarm, so I can go inside it. You can set the bedtime and the wake up and the days which you want the alarm to ring. If you scroll down, you've got the wake up alarm, bedtime reminder. You can turn it on or off from here. You've also got this enable sleep mode, which is just going to show up sleep mode watch face type thing, where you're not going to be able to see your watch face. It will have a sleep icon and good night sign on it. So that's what it is. Now, if you want to go back, just swipe to the right like that to go back. You can also find the alarm on your watch face, like here. I can see this icon on the bottom right, or you can swipe to left in your widgets. You're going to find alarm here or in your apps. If you press on this on the right hand side, the top button, there you go. I've got this alarm here, the widget. I can click on it to go inside that steps that we did before. You can also add another widget here. So just long press and then go to the end. You're going to find the add button here. You can add the alarm widget. That also is very convenient, but do be sure that you will not be able to add more than 10 widgets in this watch. Also, you can see your shortcuts if you swipe to the right like that, and you're going to find your shortcuts here. You can swipe down like that, and you're going to find your alarm here as well in shortcuts. You can just press here to go into alarm from here as well. You can also ask the AI to set an alarm. So they have this Zep flow in it. So all you need to do is just swipe to right like that, and you've got this Zep flow. You can press on it and then you can ask it. So I'm going to say set an alarm for tomorrow 12 p.m. There you go. This is a really neat feature that they have this AI built in. And yeah, that's it. That's how to set the alarm in Amazfit BIP 6 on the watch itself. I hope this video helped solve a problem. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more Amazfit BIP 6 related guides and fixes. See you there, and bye for now.